Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States. What? Customer States. Whenever I brake, the vehicle turns violently. Please check and advise. Well, say no more. We got you. And you know what we do. We look around, we top off fluids. We didn't have to top off the coolant because it was already at level. Brake fluid, it's a little full. It's a little full. What else? Do we have any rodent activity? Oh, you bet we do. It wouldn't be a normal CSW video without any Feifel or two-holes activity. But you know what we're here for. We're here for the corrosion. We're here for the rust. We're here for the flavor. So let's take it up top. Well, that didn't take long. We're about halfway up and we could see the bump stop in the front strut is no longer bumping. Yeah. Alright, let's go all the way up. Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. So we have here a 2012 Camry with roughly, about 175,000 miles. And we can see that there is corrosion everywhere. We can see that the foreskin of this axle is just spinning there. That's not good. We can also see the inner workings, the outer workings of a transmission case leak here. We have a little leak right here. Well, no, actually, that's the little leak. We have a slightly larger leak here, but it's not to a drip. So, that's actually pretty good. It's a self-lubricating chassis system attempting to save this here subframe. Engine, I gotta tell you, with all this mileage and the age of the vehicle, that's original fibbage. That's original sealant. That's original sealant up here as well. This engine's not leaking. And that appears to be an original drain plug. Very good. Let's go a little further back, because you know the further we go back, the further into flavor country we go. We can see we have a new pipe on this side, but not too new of a pipe on that side. The flange, well, it's flanging on one side, but the other flange is not flanging. But it's not leaking because somebody gooped it. I ain't mad at you. So, you know, the further we go back, the further into flavor country we actually go. And it's not going to disappoint. We have fried chicken everywhere. Look at the fried chicken flavor chips we have here on this sway bar. Great googly moogly. So let's go to the elephants. We can see our suspension arms are struggling at existence. This one especially. But this one over here has fully transitioned into Bluetooth suspension activity. So that can't be good. That's the reason why the car wants to turn. That's the reason why the car wants to turn even more violent at highway speeds, because the faster you go, the harder it's going to freaking turn. So we're looking. Yep, it could have failed here too. You know what? Not for nothing. If it didn't fail here, which it did, it would have failed there. And based off of the condition of everything here, that will never come out of that bushing. That goes for the same here. Same here. These will come out. Those should come out. That park and brake cable's looking a little rough. The hardware in the subframe, that should come out because the threads are not really exposed to the elements. So realistically, man, everything needs to be replaced back here, except for the calipers, the pads, the rotors, because they look new. The strut we could probably reuse. If we're taking all this out, I would recommend that. There's no play, but it's pretty rusted. But we'll see if we have to replace it after removal, even if they want to do this job. The sway bar, it's rough. Corrosion kills. If this suspension right here got damaged because of corrosion and everything else is corroded like this, I have to say a lot of this stuff is compromised and the structure's compromised due to corrosion. Like you see how thick this is here? Look how thick it is over there. It's the shorter list is what doesn't need to be replaced instead of what needs to be replaced. So yeah, Bluetooth exhaust, fried chicken, suspension. At least the subframe's good. But hey, life in the Rust Belt. If If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that. What the hell is this hanging from the control arm? Alright, like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification for further content.